Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In today's deep dive, we're revisiting one of the most eagerly anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you've been following drone news, you'll know that there's been a lot of chatter, speculation, and confusion surrounding this next-generation compact flyer. Previously, we had our hopes riding high, but early leaks left us puzzled and, frankly, a little disappointed. But now, with new and much clearer updates surfacing, it looks like DJI might have redeemed themselves, and the Mini 5 Pro could very well be the game-changer drone enthusiasts have been waiting for. Let's rewind briefly. When initial images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro made their rounds online, many drone fans were pretty disheartened. The leak showed a design that seemed, well, bulky and awkward. Specifically, those first images highlighted what looked like oversized, clunky propeller guards, more reminiscent of a flying safety cage than the sleek, agile design we've come to expect from DJI's Mini series. The once beloved portability and aesthetic elegance seemed lost, replaced by an awkward frame that had people scratching their heads, but even then, there was some uncertainty. Scattered across social media was a low-quality, blurry video of what appeared to be the Mini 5 Pro, but curiously, it didn't have those intrusive propeller guards at all. That video planted seeds of doubt. Was DJI really moving forward with this strange new cage-like structure? Or was it just a prototype that would never make it to production? The community was divided. Forums buzzed with debate, drone hobbyists speculated wildly, and we were all waiting for something more concrete. Now, thanks to a timely and much-needed update from drone enthusiast Mauro Tandoi, we finally have clarity. He recently shared a new video on X that has all but confirmed our hopes. In the clip, a mountain biker is seen with the DJI Mini 5 Pro placed casually on the ground, and guess what? No cage. No ridiculous propeller guards. Just the clean, compact, and practical design we've all been waiting to see. The drone maintains the signature folding propellers that DJI fans adore, making it effortlessly portable and easy to stash in your backpack when you're on the go. What's particularly exciting is the hardware upgrade visible in this footage. The Mini 5 Pro seems to be rocking some beefier motors, possibly featuring vented designs for enhanced airflow. This suggests not only improved cooling but potentially more thrust and better stability, even in moderate winds. DJI appears to be learning from its past experiments. Remember the DJI Flip? That drone felt more like a one-off experiment, but it seems they're dialing things back in with the Mini 5 Pro, focusing on perfecting what users actually want, but what really sets the excitement level through the roof is the release timeline. Jasper Ellens, via Drone XL, finally dropped the news that's got the entire drone community buzzing. According to reliable sources, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to officially launch on August 7, 2025. And here's the kicker, it's arriving a full month earlier than most of us anticipated. Considering we're just a few short weeks away, this news couldn't have landed at a better time. While the source didn't disclose much beyond the confirmed release date, that single piece of information has already reignited the hype surrounding DJI's next compact powerhouse. So now that we've established the cage is gone, the design is intact, and the launch date is looming, let's get into what else we know, or strongly suspect, about the DJI Mini 5 Pro sub-250-gram design, lightweight and travel-ready. One of the hallmark features of the DJI Mini series has always been its lightweight build. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue this tradition by sticking to the sub-250-gram category. Why is this significant? For drone pilots, especially hobbyists, this weight classification often means fewer regulatory restrictions in many countries. You typically won't need special certifications, and travel is simpler since lightweight drones don't attract the same level of scrutiny as heavier models. It's clear DJI knows how valuable this is to their core audience, major camera sensor upgrade, a cinematic leap forward. One of the most thrilling upgrades rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is the new camera system. Unlike its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, which sported a 1/1.3-inch sensor, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a serious leap forward for image quality. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and improved overall clarity. Whether you're capturing sunrise mountain rides or sunset beach skays, the camera promises to deliver crisp, professional-grade visuals in a remarkably compact form. Potential LiDAR integration, next-level obstacle avoidance. But here's where things get truly exciting. There's growing buzz around the possibility of LiDAR integration in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. That's right, a LiDAR system on a drone this small would be a massive innovation. LiDAR could dramatically elevate obstacle detection and avoidance, making autonomous flights safer and more precise. Some sources even suggest 360-degree environmental sensing could be part of the package, which would place the Mini 5 Pro in a whole new league of intelligent flight systems. Rivaling much larger drones in situational awareness, extended range, go further than ever before. Flight range is another area where the Mini 5 Pro appears to be taking a giant leap. Early rumors point to an impressive 25-kilometer transmission range. That's a substantial improvement over previous models. A longer range not only enhances the drone's versatility but also improves signal stability, which is crucial when navigating complex environments or when you're pushing the limits for creative shots. Smarter AI tracking modes, perfect for action enthusiasts. For all the solo adventurers, mountain bikers, and vloggers out there, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just become your ultimate flying companion. AI-powered tracking modes are reportedly getting a significant upgrade. These smarter algorithms could make the drone even more capable of autonomously following subjects, intelligently avoiding obstacles, and keeping the camera perfectly framed. Imagine seamlessly filming your mountain bike runs or scenic hikes without having to control the drone manually. It sounds like the perfect tool for content creators on the move. Revolutionary battery life, more airtime, less downtime. Battery life is always a hot topic in the drone world, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to deliver game-changing endurance. Current whispers suggest it might push flight times up to 50 minutes per charge, thanks to a substantial 4,680 mAh battery. That's a serious upgrade compared to the Mini 4 Pro's maximum flight times, which typically hovered between 34 to 45 minutes under ideal conditions. Plus, there's talk of 65W fast charging capabilities, meaning you'll spend less time waiting and more time soaring. Performance enhancements, power meets precision beyond battery life and smarter tracking. DJI seems to be focusing heavily on power efficiency and flight stability. The drone's upgraded motor system, possibly coupled with improved cooling solutions, could translate to quieter flights, smoother handling, and potentially better wind resistance. Whether you're filming at coastal cliffs or urban skylines, this drone is shaping up to offer not just portability but also robust performance. Additional rumors and speculations. While DJI has yet to officially confirm some of these details, additional rumors circulating the drone community hint at improved OcuSync transmission technology for clearer, low-latency video feeds even at extended ranges, enhanced HDR video capabilities, possibly supporting 4K at higher frame rates, upgraded remote controllers that may integrate larger display screens or improved antennas, new intelligent flight modes tailored for creative shots like vertical panoramas, orbit shots, and hyperlapses with smoother AI assistance. It's also possible we'll see some modular accessories introduced alongside the Mini 5 Pro, such as clip-on ND filters, advanced landing gear, or even optional propeller guards. DJI is known for creating ecosystems around their drones, and it wouldn't be surprising if the Mini 5 Pro launches with a host of useful add-ons. The confirmed August 7, 2025 release date is right around the corner, and the drone world is eagerly waiting to see if all these exciting rumors materialize into the final product. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot, an aspiring aerial filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing epic travel shots, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the ultimate tool you've been waiting for. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Fly safe and fly smart. Peace.